Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce our iCS series of integrated stepper motors in partnership with Leadshine. I have some right here in front of me and will be giving you an in-depth introduction to its features and benefits. The iCS series integrates both the motor and driver into a single unit. This integration eliminates the need for complex wiring and simplifies the installation process, making it an efficient and reliable choice for motion control applications. We offer two different models of our iCS series integrated motor. We have the pulse and direction control model, and we have the Modbus RTU Communication Model, which operates through an RS485 communication port. Now let's first take a closer look at the pulse and direction control model. First, we have the power supply and the I/O port. We also have the RS232 tuning port and DIP switches. Using the tuning port, we can connect the motor to a PC and set it up through the Motion Studio software, allowing for easy configuration and parameter adjustments. Now let's examine the Modbus RTU model. The I/O port is located at the bottom. In the middle, we have the communication port and tuning port. At the top, you will find the switches for additional configurations. The iCS series integrated motor is designed to enhance efficiency, reduce installation time, and provide seamless integration into various motion control systems. Whether you require pulse and directional control or Modbus RTU communication, our iCS series offers a reliable and high-performance solution. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in this product, please contact us with the information on the screen or in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest videos.